In this video, I'm going to be showing you a new feature on the Bybit platform that allows you to trade US stocks with as low as $5. It allows you to trade US stocks just like the way you are trading crypto under the futures trading page. So I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to do that. And also in this video, I'll be showing you how you can start earning passive income with your crypto on Bybit. So that means that without you trading or doing any form of analysis, you can start making money every day on Bybit with passive income. So I'll be showing you that also in this video. So please, so that you don't miss anything important, kindly watch this video to the end. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are trying to hit 200,000 subscribers. Thank you. Now, I'm not going to waste your time. I'll just go straight to the point. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, it says try Bybit TradFi for free. Now, the name of this feature I'm talking about that allows you to trade US stocks on Bybit is called TradFi. So this is it right here, TradFi. That's the feature that allows you to trade US stocks on Bybit. And right now, they are currently doing a campaign whereby if you deposit on this TradFi platform to trade US stocks, you can earn up to 1,100 USDT. And in case you don't have an account on Bybit, you can see right here also, you can sign up to unlock up to 5,050 USDT in welcome bonuses. So if you want to enjoy all of these bonuses, please just click on the first link in the description of this video to create an account on Bybit, or you check the first link in the pinned comment of this video to create an account on Bybit. So once you've created your account, please make sure you come back here and see everything I'm about to show you so that I can be able to trade US stocks on Bybit for free. Now, if you want to go to the TradFi page, all you just need to do is to come here to the top where it says trade. You can see this trade right here where my cursor is. Just go there and come down to where you have TradFi. So you can see it right here. This is where it says TradFi. So once you see it right there, just click on it. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, this is the page where you can now do TradFi trading. Now, you can see on the screen right here, it says Bybit TradFi trading. And guess what? It's not just only stocks you can trade on this page. You can also trade CFDs like metals, oil, indices, and stocks. So if you're the kind of person that you always want to trade maybe metals, you can always come here and do that, like gold. If you want to trade forex, stocks, anyone, you can use this new feature on Bybit to do that. Now, just in case you are using your mobile phone, I'll go to my mobile phone right now and show you how to also get to this TradFi page. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, I'm on the home page of my Bybit app, and to go to the TradFi page, what you just need to do is to come here to the bottom side of the screen and click on trade where the arrow is pointed to. So I'll click on it. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is to come here to the top of the screen where you have TradFi. You can see it right here where the arrow is pointed to. That's the TradFi feature. So I'll just click on it. And right here on the screen is my TradFi page where I can trade metals, stocks, indices, and so on. So you can also see it right here. You have metals. So if you want to trade metals, you click right here where they are pointed to. And then you have different metals that you can trade. If you want to trade stocks, you have stocks right here. So you can see the different stocks that you can trade. So for example, the first one, you have Apple stocks. The second one, you have Tesla. The third one, you have Intel. Now, I'm sure you can see closed beside them. It means that the market is closed. Don't forget, the markets are only open from like 9 a.m. to I think about 2 p.m. So you need to take note of that. And they're only open from Mondays to Fridays. And then you have indices right here. If you want to trade indices, if you want to trade forex, you also have forex right there. And if you want to trade commodities, you have commodities right there. So these are the different instruments that you can trade on this TradFi page. So I'll go back to my laptop right now and continue to show you how to trade stocks using the TradFi feature on Bybit. It is the same process whether you're using your laptop or your phone. So just follow whatever process I'll be showing you on my laptop right now. So let's go back. So now that you know how to get to your TradFi page on your laptop or on your mobile phone, the next thing is to now deposit money into your TradFi wallet. Now, to do that, the first thing you need to do is to come here to where it says view my dashboard. So you click on view my dashboard right there. And right here, you have an MT5 account, which is a live account. And in case you don't want to use a live account, you can come here and use a demo account. So for me, I've not registered any demo account. So if you want to use like a demo account, that is, you don't want to use your real money to start it, or maybe you still want to test the waters, you can use a demo account. So if you want to use a demo account, just come right here. So let's say, for example, you want to go ahead and use your own money. Make sure you're under this MT5 account. Now, like I said earlier, the next thing is to deposit money into your TradFi wallet. So if you want to do that, you have two options. So the first option is to deposit crypto. So this means that, let's say, for example, you have crypto on another crypto exchange. You can just transfer your crypto from that other exchange to your Bybit exchange. So let's say, for example, you want to do that, just click on deposit right here. So I'll click on deposit. And right here you can see where it says buy with USD or deposit USDT. So this means that you want to deposit USDT from another exchange to your Bybit exchange. That's just the meaning. So you just come here and click on this. And the next thing is to select the crypto you want to deposit, which is USDT. It is USDT you use to trade. And then come here to where it says chain type. So chain type is the same thing as your network. So the network you want to use. So I'll just click on it right there. And then you can select anyone. So let's say I want to use TRC20, or let's say I want to use, let's say Arbitrum 1. I can just use anyone. So let's say I want to use Arbitrum 1. I'll click on it. So the simple thing for you to do is just go ahead and deposit in through this wallet address. So this is the wallet address. Just deposit your crypto right there, and your crypto will be showing right here in your Bybit wallet. But let's say, for example, you already have crypto or USDT in your Bybit wallet already, then you don't need to follow all of these steps I've shown you. So let me leave here. So if you have crypto in your Bybit wallet already, so that's when you need the second option. So this is the second option right here that says transfer. So just come here to where it says transfer and click on it. And then you can see right here on the screen, it says from funding to TradFi. So this means that if you have crypto or USDT in your funding wallet already, just click on funding right here. Make sure it's on funding and make sure this is on TradFi because you are transferring to our TradFi wallet. So once you have it like this, just leave it. And then the next thing is to select the coin you want to transfer. Is already USDT, so you leave it. And then the next thing is to enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. So let's say, for example, I want to transfer, let's say 100 USDT. I'll just put in 100 right there. So that means that I want to transfer 100 USDT to my TradFi wallet or to my MT5 account. So it is this money or this $100 that I can now use to trade whether stocks or forex or metals or indices or commodities. So once you've entered 100 or the amount you want to transfer, just come here and click on confirm. So you can see right here, it says your TradFi account balance is pending an update due to an ongoing transaction. So in less than maybe 1 minute or even maximum of 2 minutes, you should have it updated. So as you can see on the screen right here, in less than 2 minutes, I already have my balance updated to 100 USDT. So this is the amount I have in my TradFi account. Now, before I go ahead and show you how to actually trade, let me also show you how to register your demo account because I know a lot of you might want to use the demo feature. So you come here to where it says MT5 demo account, you click on it. And then you can see where it says try Bybit MT5 demo account risk-free. So this means that you're not using your own real money, you're using virtual money to trade. So if you want to trade forex or stocks or anything, you can use this. So you just come here and click on open MT5 demo account. So I'll click on it. And you can see just like that, you have your demo account created. So if you want to add funds to your demo account, just come here to where it says add funds. So I'll click on it. And then right here on the screen, it will show you the details of your demo account. So if you want to go ahead and put in your demo account on your MT5 app, these are the details you need right here. So I'll be showing you how to also put in this account on your MT5 app. And then if you want to go ahead and deposit your money, so you come here, you can see where it says deposit demo funds. Come here to where it says select and enter the amount you want to deposit. So if you want to deposit, let's say 10,000 USD, this is 10,000, this is 5,000, this is 1,000, and this is 500. So if I want to deposit 10,000, I'll click on 10,000 right here. But before I go ahead and put in this deposit demo funds, let me show you how you can connect your account to your MT5. So if you want to do that, these are the details you need. So you can see the server name is Bybit demo. You can see the MT5 demo ID. That is the ID of your account. This is it. And you can see your demo master password. Now, as you can see on my mobile phone right here, I'm on the MT5 app. So this is the MT5 app. In case you don't have the app, just go ahead and download it on your App Store or Play Store. So once you've downloaded it, make sure you're on the settings page. So this is settings right here. And at the top, you come here and click on trade accounts. So once you click on trade account, at the top right corner, you click on the plus icon. And right there where you have enter company or server name, you go right there and enter the server name. So you can see the server name right here, Bybit demo. Just enter it. So I'll just come right here and enter Bybit's dash demo right there. Oh, make sure the spelling is correct. Bybit/demo. So I'll just come right there. So you can see it right here. This is this first option. Just click on it. And you can see the server is Bybit demo. So once you've seen that, the next thing is to enter your login. So your login is this memo ID. So this memo ID right here, that's your login. So I'll go right there and enter the login. So once you've entered the login, the next thing is the password. So right here is the demo master password. So I'll go right here and enter this password right here. So once you've entered your password right here, you are done. So just click on done right here. And just like that, you have your demo account on MT5 already. So let me come back to my screen right here. So if you want to deposit your funds, just click on deposit demo fund right here. So we are depositing $10,000. So I'll just click on deposit demo funds. I can see just like that, you have 10,000 USDT in your wallet already. And you can see on my mobile phone too, immediately it is showing 10,000 USDT. It is immediately. So you can now go ahead and start using this $10,000 to test the waters, or maybe to practice your strategies and start trading on MT5. Now let's say for example you also want to connect your real account. So if you want to connect your real account, just come here to your MT5 account and come here and click on trade. So once you click on trade, you also see your server name. So by this time it is Bybit Live. So you search for Bybit Live, and then you can see the account ID. This is the account ID, and it will also show you your master password. So the same process, just come here to where you have settings right here, and then click on new account. For this one is a new account, so you click on new account, and then you search for Bybit. So this is it already, just click on it, and then you change this Bybit demo, change it to Bybit Live. So I'll click on it, and then to show you different options. So you can see Bybit Live right here. This is Bybit Live, where the arrow is pointing to. Make sure it is that one. So once you click on it, then you can now go ahead and enter your login details. So your login details again is your account ID. So I'll just copy it right there. I'll put it, and then the password too. So this is your password. Just make sure you copy it right there. So you can see right here on the screen, I've connected the real account also to my MT5, and you can see it's showing my balance 100 USDT. So right here, I'm back on the Bybit app, and let's say for example, you want to go ahead and trade any stock of your choice. Make sure you come here to where you have stocks. That's once you are on the TradFi page. So this is the TradFi page. So you come here and click on stocks right here, and you see the different stocks that you can trade. So these are different stocks you can trade on the Bybit app. So you can see that there are a lot. Now, some of you might want to ask, what is the difference between trading stocks and investing in stocks? Now, let me explain. Now, if you are investing in stocks, don't forget that, let's for example, you are investing in Apple stocks now. It means that you are buying Apple stocks, and then you only make money when it goes up in price. And maybe if you want to make like a lot of money, you need to wait for it to like go really, really up, which can happen in like 5 years, 3 years, and can take like a long time or a long period. But if you are trading stocks, like you are trading futures, you can use leverage. You know, if you have been doing futures trading before, you should know what leverage is all about. And in case you don't know what leverage is all about, I have a dedicated video on that. I'll put the link in the description below. So like I was saying, you can use leverage. So what this means is that you only do your analysis to see where the market will go. So you do analysis on the stocks, and if you see that maybe Apple stocks is going up really soon, then you can just go ahead and trade it and use leverage, and then you can make a good amount of money from that instead of just buying it and waiting for it to go up. So for this one, you are not buying the stocks, you are not investing in the stocks. You are only using your money to bet on the price movement of these stocks. So if you do your analysis and your analysis is telling you that Apple stocks will be going up soon, then you go ahead and long Apple stocks. If it says Apple stocks is going down soon, then it means that you go ahead and short Apple stocks. That's just the meaning. And just in case you want to like see the chart for all of these stocks, let's say for example, this is Apple stocks right here, and you see the price. So this is the current price of Apple stocks. It's about $232, and you can see in the last 24 hours it has gone down by just 0.76%. So if you want to see the chart, just click on Apple stocks right here, and you can see on the screen it will show you just like your crypto chart. It is just the same thing. So just like your crypto chart, you also see your time frame at the top. So you see your 1 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, and so on. You see your candlesticks. These are candlesticks where you can do your analysis. So it's just like a forex chart or your crypto chart. And if you want to use indicators, you also have indicators at the bottom. So you can see that it's basically the same thing. So if you have been good with your technical analysis when it comes to crypto or futures trading, this should be very, very easy for you. Like I said, at the bottom it says closed. Time until opening is 15 hours 12 minutes. So in the next 15 hours 12 minutes, the market will be open and you can be able to trade. So this one is different from crypto. You know, crypto is open 24/7. For this one, for stocks, they are only open between 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. and they are only open from Mondays to Fridays. So take note of that. So now that you know how exactly you can now trade your stocks like futures, what if you now want to buy those stocks and hold? What if you want to invest in those stocks, just like the way you invest in like your Bitcoin, your Ethereum? You can also do that on Bybit. Now to do that is also simple. Just come here to where you have trade. You can see where you have trade right here. Click on it and come here to where you have spot. So you can see the spot right here. I'll click on it. So right here on the screen is the spot trading page on Bybit. So if you want to go ahead and trade any of these stocks, it's simple. Just come here to where you have this right here, where the arrow is pointing to, and then you come here to this search bar and search for the stocks you want to trade. So let's say, for example, I want to trade Apple stocks. Don't forget the short form for Apple is AAPL. And you can see it right here, it says AAPLX/USDT. So whatever the short form is, it will add X to it when you're on the spot trading page. Don't forget. So you see X beside it. So if I click on this right here, it means I want to trade Apple stocks. If it's that maybe it's Tesla stocks you want to trade, just the short form for Tesla is TSLA. So you to bring it out, so you can see TSLAX USDT. So let's, for example, I want to trade Tesla stocks. Just click on it right here, and to bring this risk agreement to your page. So once you go to the bottom, just click on this box and click on confirm. And you can see right here, it's already showing you TSLAX USDT. So if you want to go ahead and invest in Tesla stocks with your Bybit account, just come right here and click on buy. So it means you want to buy the stocks, and then come here and click on market. So market means that you want to buy it instantly, you want to buy it immediately. And then you enter the value you want to spend. So let's say I want to buy stocks worth of, let's say $50. You can put any amount right there. You can even buy with as low as $5. Yes, you can buy with as low as $5. Let's say you want to buy with $5. Let me just show you that. Let's put $5 and see if it can go through. Once you put $5 right there, just come here and click on buy. So just like that, it has gone through. You can see it right here. So if you want to confirm it in your wallet, so to confirm it, I'll just come here to my asset page, and then I'll just come here to my unified trading account. And right here on the screen, you can see I have Tesla stocks in my wallet already. So you see I have some amount of Tesla stocks in my wallet. So you can see right now that whether you want to invest in stocks, that is you want to buy and hold them, or whether you want to trade them like futures, you can do that right now through your Bybit account. It is simple and straightforward. Now at the beginning of this video, I said I'll be showing you guys how you can start earning passive income with your crypto on Bybit without doing any trading or any analysis for yourself. It's simple. To do that, you just come here to where it says finance. So you can see this finance right here. Come there and then click on earn. So you can see where you have earn. Just click on it. And right here is the page where you can earn passive income with your crypto on Bybit. Now, these are the different products that you can invest in right here. So you have USDT, you can invest in USDT, you can invest in Solana, BTC, ETH, USDC. You have different cryptocurrencies that you can invest in and earn passive income for yourself. Now, under this duration, you see that for some you have flexible or fixed. You have for this one to flexible or fixed, and you can see if some is fixed, some just flexible. Now, what's the difference? Now, anywhere you see flexible, it means that you have the option to withdraw your money any day, anytime from that investment. That's the meaning. And anywhere you see fixed, it means that you have a fixed number of days that you must invest your money for before you can withdraw your money. I hope you understand. And then under APR, you'll be seeing the amount you can be earning from that investment annually, that is every year. So let's say, for example, you want to invest in USDT. So for USDT, you have 1% to as high as 25% annually. And you have three options under it. So the first option is where you have flexible. So don't forget that if flexible, you can withdraw your money any day, anytime. And for that one, you'll be earning 9.15% annually. If that's okay for you, you click on invest now. For the second option under USDT, you have the one where you can invest for 1 to 7 days. And for that one, you can earn between 1% to 25% annually. And then for the third one, you have this flexible / fixed. So that means this one can be flexible and it can also be fixed. For this one, you have 4% to 5% annually. So whichever of these options is okay for you, you go ahead and invest in. So let's say, for example, I want to invest in this one, this first one, where I can earn 9.15% annually and I can withdraw my money anytime. I'll just come right here and click on invest now. And right here on the screen, it will ask you to enter the amount of money you want to invest. So for this, the minimum you can invest is $1. So it means that if you have maybe $1, $2, $3, you can go ahead and do this. So let's, for example, I want to invest $100. I can go ahead and put in $100 right there. And then the next thing for you to do is to come right here and click on invest now. So I'll click on invest now right here. And just like that, you can see investment successful. So I'm already investing in this right here on the Bybit page, and I will be earning 9.16% annually. Now, in case you want to monitor your investment, just go to your asset page. So to go to your asset page, just on your mobile app, it is simple. Just go to the asset menu. But if you're using your laptop, come here to where it says asset, and then you go here to where it says earn. So this is the earn wallet here. So you can see right here, my USDT investment is here already. I have investment in ETH and BTC already. So this is the USDT one I just did right now. So you can monitor your investment right here. And if you want to withdraw your investment too, just come here to this page and click on this redeem. So you see where you have redeem right here. Just click on redeem. So I'll click on redeem. And then you enter the amount you want to withdraw. So if you want to withdraw everything too, just enter it. So let's say I want to withdraw everything. So let's enter it. I can see where I want to withdraw to. So I want to withdraw to my funding account, and then I'll click on confirm. So just like that, I'll withdraw my money to my funding wallet. So in case you are scared that, oh, maybe your money will not be refunded, or maybe you are trying to see whether your money will be refunded to you immediately, you've seen that right now. So that is basically how you can start earning passive income with your crypto on Bybit. So that's everything I have for you guys in this video. If you have not liked this video, please like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any question, or maybe there's any video you want me to make about Bybit, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.